Our old Jane Fonda inner thigh lift. Okay, we used to do this. Woohoo! Right? All right, now we found a better way. So you're going to take your yoga block, put your top leg on it. This should be 90 degrees, 90 degrees. You're going to go ahead and lay all the way down. Now I'm going to move the yoga block down just because I want you to be able to see my rib cage here. Okay, so go ahead and take your hand and just feel your bottom rib, find that bottom rib. And if you're just laying here, that rib kind of like falls into the mat, right? So we want to lift that up. You can physically take your hand and lift that up. And once it's up, can you hold that up? Think about this being like a little door right here, like a little mouse hole. I always think of like a little mouse hole from like Tom and Jerry, right? So you want to lift that up and create this little hole here. Keep that hole there. As you lift your leg, exhale. Bring that leg down. Don't quite let it touch. Keep that hole. So this hole might move a little bit, but it doesn't collapse. You're keeping a little tension. Remember, think about your core as a cylinder. We just laid that cylinder down. We don't want the side of that cylinder to collapse while this leg is lifting. So we got to keep just a little bit of tension there and feel that inner thigh.